Oh my God, ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-vlog. Paano ba to? Hi everyone, it's been a minute. A minute! Hi everyone, it's been a minute. Ilang months na nga ba since I vlogged? Hindi ko na alam pa paano mag-vlog, guys. I'm married! Grabe, sobrang tagal ko nag-vlog. Na-engage ako, nag-plan ako ng wedding. Nakadalawang minimum na ako. Bili na ako ng bahay. Di pa pala ako nakapag-vlog. Itong vlog na to is just a life update. Kagabi, bago matulog, nanood ako ng mga vlogs. So, yung mga vlogs na napanood ko kila Eloy, Alex Gonzaga, kay Hazel. Tapos parang after, nainggit ako. Shocks, ang tagal ko na, before pandemic, pinapanood ko na si Eloy. Sabi ko na magva-vlog ako ng mga ginagawa kong design, ganyan. Pero, 6 years, 7 years after, 8 year na nga ni Alex Gonzaga, nung year 1 pa lang niya, gusto ko na mag-vlog. Anyway, kagabi, super na-inspire ako na parang, you know what, just shoot that content. Just shoot that vlog. Naantayin maging perfect yung life ko or wag ko nang antayin na ma-figure out ko lahat because it will never happen. But I really want to document my life moving forward. Parang na-realize ko kagabi that the content that I'm creating or that I'm about to create, contents that I wanna watch again in the future. Parang yun yung mga contents ko na ako mismo yung audience. Marami din kaming vlogs ni Alec na naka-only me. Hindi unlisted siya. Like kami lang yung nakakanood, ganyan. But it's really like a video journal as a person na very visual. Parang gustong-gusto ko nakikita siya in video sense. So, na-realize ko lang kagabi, I was crying before going to sleep na parang, shit, hanggang kailan ako magkakaroon ng what if in vlogging? Kailan ko isa-set aside yung gusto ko talaga because may other things na nangyayari, ganun. Parang kagabi, ginising ko talaga si Alec. Lagi ko na siya ginigising paggabi. So, parang sinabi ko, you know what, gusto ko talaga mag-vlog, babe, ganyan. So, sabi niya, go. Tapos sabi ko, what if hindi ako sumama tomorrow? Sabi niya, okay lang. Tapos, kanina, dapat sasama na ako. Sabi ko, hindi sasama ako kasi commitment ko yung meetings. First meeting of the team this year. Tapos parang na-realize ko kanina umaga na, wait lang, hindi ko i-hold back yung gusto kong gawin this time. I don't wanna have what ifs. I don't wanna have, nga diba, I'm one video away to a completely different life. And maybe this one video will get the spark back, not even go viral or whatever, but really it's getting the spark back. I was excited to film. I was excited to do my makeup, to look good today, just to film my day. Lagi ko sinasabi, if i-film ko yung day ko, Pero you know, I never got the chance to have that passion, that fire back. Ito na-realize ko, gusto ko talaga mag-edit. The reason why ang dami kong vlogs na hindi na-approve, na ilabas kasi parang hindi nakukuha yung storytelling na gusto ko, and the only person who can do storytelling sa life ko is feeling ko ako. So, one of the things that I'm gonna learn is editing. So, I wanna utilize my iMac to edit vlogs. Kahit ano lang, minimal edits lang naman, and then music, but that's it. At least I can edit on my own, and then I work best kapag may deadline. So if I know I need to upload a video every week, feeling ko kaya ko siyang gawa ng paraan. But we have to schedule it because if it's not scheduled, it's not gonna happen. Okay, so quick backstory tayo on what happened the past year. Wala masyadong lessons dito, but like, story time. May last year, medyo na-alter na yung brain chemistry ko because I really started taking care of my health. I didn't gain weight since May, and I kept losing weight since May last year. I signed up for Doc Angeles. Actually guys, mayroon akong video doon. Comment below if you wanna watch that because ipopost na lang yon. Although hindi siya perfect, I can give a new video. Pero you know what? Like, just post it. During my Sikihor vlog, I think may Sikihor vlog ako, naka-diet na ako noon. Sinisecret ko pa kasi sabi ko, baka hindi ko mapanindigan. Nag-Sikihor kami, tapos nag-Siargao kami. In fact, may vlog din ako sa Siargao. I don't think it was edited. So anyway, hindi rin siya na-edit. Hindi rin siya na-post. And then, tuloy-tuloy na nag-lose ako ng weight hanggang June. Hanggang June ako nasa Siargao. And then June, we found this house. Actually, end of May ata. If hindi to binibigay sa akin now, and kinukuha to ng universe, maybe meron pang isa na mas bagay sa akin, na mas gusto ko. And true enough, we found this. Siguro after we got back from Siargao, we visited this. And then that day, immediately kami, reservation. Na-in-love kami sa village, na-in-love din kami dito sa house. As in, super duper. And I don't think I will ever do a house tour because of safety purposes. Feeling naman. Pero siguro, nag-house tour na kami, hindi lang namin ipopost. So, yun. Then we got the house. So, parang naging locked in na kami talaga ni Alec na, oh my God, we need to, pay for the down payment, pay for the monthly, and then, yun, naging super focus na kami in life ng June. Yeah, I think by June, we were processing the loan. Kapag shoot pa ako ng tips on how to do home loan, hahanapin ko ako nandun pa. But if not, I will be, update ko kayo kung ma-upload natin yan. Kung nandyan pa yung script ko for that. This was me manifesting the house when we first saw it. Tapos naalala ko ang goal ko, parang hindi lang to get the house, but to actually like the life that I'm living. So meaning, it has to start with my health. So talagang nag-diet ako guys. Tuloy-tuloy yung diet ko dito. Okay, one of the things na nag-motivate pala sa akin para pumayat is gumawa ng mga ganitong videos, mga photos before and after. August, I celebrated my birthday. So, 30th birthday ko, they surprised me in the studio. Super happy ko talaga nung day na yun kasi I didn't expect. We were here, we moved. Hindi pa kami nag-move in, pero nakuha na namin yung keys. Nagpapalagay kami ng aircon. Tapos sabi ni Alec, may date time mamayang gabi, so we have to go back to Mandaluyong. Tapos yun, nagulat ako, may surprise pala sa akin. Buti na lang naligo ako, alam mo yun. July until December, magapang kami sa business. Yun talaga yung nangyari doon. Yun talaga yung secretly nangyari. Gumapang kami talaga sa business na parang ang hirap talaga. Nag-launch kami ng mga creator MBA, VIP coaching, and I got so busy with everything. Pero like, ginapang talaga namin. Like, sabi ko nga sa team ko, hindi ko alam paano natin na-survive ang Burr months. But we did. We did, thankfully. Thank you, Lord, talaga. So, dun talaga ako sobrang na-busy. Kaya itong vlog na to, parang ang gusto ko is hindi maging excuse yung pagiging busy sa business. Kasi yung business talagang andyan lang siya and magiging busy lang din talaga ako parate. Pero hopefully, that doesn't stop me from, finally starting the vlog. August din, nag-move in din pala kami. My gosh, nag-move in kami dito sa house secretly. Hindi pa namin pinopost. I think September pa namin pinost. Pero we moved in here. Dalawa lang kami ni Alec to si Ate Verge. Tapos, super happy kami. Like, every day we're waking up blissful of this house, grateful, excited to work. Yan. Okay, September, a really nice month. So, Alec and I celebrated our 3rd anniversary. And then, nung anniversary din namin, kind of goal setting of when we wanted to get married. Doon talaga kami nag-usap ng anong year ba tayo ikakasal? Kasi, My brother is getting married this 2026 and ayaw namin yung sukob. So parang sabi namin, 2025, kaya ba? We just bought a house. In 2027, masyado namang matagal. Parang feeling ko, kasi parang gusto ko ikasal talaga per months kasi alam kong malamig. So parang inisip ko, kung 2027, di halos almost 2028 na siya. So 32 na ako noon. Bubuntis pa kaya ako? Ganon. So parang that point, September 1, I don't know if it was possible for us to get married. Unang-una kasi wala pa akong sing-sing nun, guys. We went to Japan, tapos nagulat kami na... Nagulat ako. Propose si Alec. Tapos parang ako, oh my God, paano ka saan ka kumuha ng pera? Tapos sakto naman pala may mga brand siya na bumagsak. So, he can pay for a ring and buy a ring. It was a free trip from our client, si Miss Peng. Ka-third year niya na sa amin. When I got back from Japan, nagulat ako na parang pinag-uusapan namin ni Alec, ano, kaya ba nating ikasal? Ganon. Kaya ba natin this year? Ganon. Parang we weren't really sure but we wanted to get married ASAP. Kasi alam naman namin na intimate lang yung gusto naming wedding. Hindi siya like mahirap i-plan. Like initially, it was just a civil wedding para lang we're married, you know, we can get pregnant, I can wear a dress, ganyan. Pero we got excited, I guess. We found a place na sobrang beautiful. Tapos naging clear kami, ano ba talaga yung gusto ko. Sabi ko, gusto ko talaga 3 days, 2 nights. Pero like, impossible with the timeline. It was like end of September, October, November, December. 2 weeks pa kami naghagel. I remember when we got back, that next weekend, nag-visit na kami sa Tagaytay, naghanap na kami. Kasi alam ko nga gusto ko December or November. Actually, gusto kong date is 11/11. Months kasi malamig. And I wanted Baguio, kaya lang busy mga tao, ganyan. Ayoko nang mag-hassle pa pumunta doon. And since we moved to the south, pwede namin mapuntahan, ma-visit yung location anytime we wanted. So, we started planning the wedding. Doon na ako sobrang na busy kasi busy ako with the studio, media, content, and then the wedding planning and shooting everything. Yon. So, ang dami kong backlogs ng posting talaga. When we reserved the place, that's when we know na parang, okay, trabaho na tayo, gawa tayo ng pera kasi ikakasal tayo in 2 months. Which felt weird, but also, kaya guys. I-encourage ko kayo ikasal agad. Pagka-engage nyo, kasal agad kayo. Huwag nyo na pag-isipan, huwag nyo nang pahabain. Parang feeling ko, kaya ang laki ng ginagastos ng mga tao sa wedding. Kasi 2 years, ang dami mong gustong i-add, bawas, dagdag, ganun, sa wedding mo. Tapos parang, ang daming trends, hindi mo ubos yung trends, hindi mo ubos yung uso, hindi mo ubos yung gusto mong i-add. And 2 months, it was just perfect. 1.5 months, it was perfect for me na parang, I can do that. So, in 2 months, ang plan na kami ng wedding. By the way, guys, itong months, nakapagtayo din kami ng our first ever Christmas tree. So, I'm a Christmas bride! Suddenly, I'm a Christmas bride. I was planning my wedding. I was doing a lot of things. I was shooting a lot of content. Which, by the way, hindi ko pa napopost lahat. And then, I was so into the bridal era. Kasi I only have like 2 months to enjoy, including planning my wedding. Yeah, so we ended the year na married. We went to our mini moon that I planned for like 2 days. Diba? Galing-galing. Naka-vlog din yun, guys. We planned our mini moon in Japan. Supposed to be mag-wedding pa kami isa pa sa Subic. Pero parang mas pinili ko na mag-Japan na lang, mag-mini moon kesa mag-wedding agad. So kung mag-wedding kami na church, kasi Christian wedding kami, baka 2027. Try ko ng January 11 or 14. Para isa lang yung sinucelebrate. Paano ba yun? Kasi may boyfriend-girlfriend anniversary kami, tapos may wedding anniversary kami. Like, paano siya? Paano siya inaano? Paano siya pinaplano? Sige nga, comment below kung BFGF anniversary ba kayo or wedding anniversary. Because I don't know. I really don't know. So, yeah. So, December, we hosted the best wedding. Guys, abangan nyo yung wedding series ko. I'm gonna edit that. And we have like 2 terabytes of raw videos. We have vlogs. Ang dami talagang content. Meron pa sa phone, etc. So, wait nyo na lang na ma-edit ko. Ipopost ko konti-konti. And then, while posting yung mga contents ko from the wedding, I'm also gonna be posting contents for finance. So, gusto ko pa rin gumawa ng content sa finance. So, December pala, I also started a community called Happy Money Club because I felt like I had to give before the year ends. So, yun yung ginawa ko ng December, and then now I'm doing a webinar on Friday for my community. I'm so excited for that. I'm gonna meet some of them, and Honestly, ang dami kong trauma pagdating sa tao. Like last year, ang dami kong nilet go na tao sa buhay ko. But sabi ko, you know what? I'm open to loving people again. I'm open to trusting people again. I'm open to meeting new people again and letting people enter my life again. So yun. So parang I started the community. I'm so excited for that. So parang at this point, ang dami kong content. Gusto kong gumawa ng wifey content. Gusto kong gumawa ng finance content. Gusto ko rin gumawa ng mga wedding contents. For some reason, ang daming kumuha sa akin ng wedding consultant because I really love the way I did my wedding. So, we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, I'm excited for that. I'm excited to see where this year is going. Gusto ko sana ipakita yung vision board ko, pero sa akin na lang muna. I really like it. So anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching this. Sana ituloy-tuloy natin to every week. Every week sana may vlog tayo ilabas. Oh well, see you on the next one. Bye-bye!